Hello everyone, I am M. Raju, Assistant Professor in English, Department of Humanities and Sciences. Welcome to Witsconnect. In the last class, we have discussed about expressing feelings. I hope you understand. Today, we will discuss about number 4 chapter, expressing likes and dislikes. What do you mean by likes and dislikes? Everybody has their own likes and dislikes according to their opinions, according to the situations, according to the place where they grown up, according to their depending on their family background, depending on their how they behave in a society. This is all the kinds of dealings with to depend on someone's likes and dislikes. The way you grown up, the atmosphere will mostly demand your likes and dislikes. For example, I will tell you, if you grown up in a systematical way, very pleasant way, your thoughts and feelings, your likes and dislikes are in a very proper way. And coming to you are grown up in a different way, where you have some qualities, you have no some proper qualities. Yes, in that way, the way you grown up, the situation demands, the atmosphere, the friends, the way you behave with others is totally based on where you grown up from, where have you been from. These are all depends on likes and dislikes. I hope you understand. So everybody has their own likes and dislikes. Sometimes they may maintain for casually, they may maintain for only they use the things for occasional. Sometimes they use the things occasional. Today we will discuss about likes and expressing likes and dislike. Okay, coming to the expressing likes and dislike. If you say here you can say example, I like, do you, for example, if I ask somebody, do you like junk food? Do you like junk food? Some of them they prefer homemade food, some of them love their junk food. No, some of you say, yes, I like junk food. I love to eat junk food. Some of you say, no, I don't like junk food. I prepare only homemade food. Homemade food is very good to our health, because if you eat in the junks outside, it's very, there is some dust, there is some oils, there is all the things mixed, will spoil your body. That's the way some of you express their likes and dislikes. You can say, if you love something, have you express? And I love eating ice cream. I love eating ice cream because here I love. Here you can say I love eating ice cream, but eating ice cream is fun. I love eating ice cream, but eating ice cream is fun. It's not intentionally, it's a casual, it's for a fun, it's for a enjoyment. You can use not intentionally but for a casual fun. Here I can say I love. Next, I adore sunbathing. But I like sunbathing because adore is the another way of expressing love or interesting. I adore sunbathing is another way of expressing love something or interesting something. I like sunbathing. Next, coming to the, she is crazy about John. She is crazy about Michael. She is crazy about Michael. She is fond of Michael because she is very mad. She is very mad about, instead of crazy you can say she is very mad about Michael. She is fond of Michael. Here if you love something, It's a, you can say, extreme desire. Extreme desire, I can also call a intense desire. Can also call a intense desire. That's the way how you feel in your intensively. That's the way you can express. If you love something, you can express desire. Example, I love eating ice cream. I adore sunbathing. He is crazy about Michael, means he's gone mad about some particular person. She is a fond of Michael. Okay, this is the way if you love something you can express. Okay students, before we see love, what do you like? And coming to the next topic, if you neither like nor dislike something, if you neither like nor dislike something, I'll give you an example. If you don't mind doing housework, if you don't mind doing housework, you can say, if you are interested or not. Sometimes you are very quiet, you are in dilemma. Okay, you can say, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. You can say, yeah, it's okay. And I don't really care either way. I don't really care either way. It's whatever. If you feel that, whatever, yeah, you can agree with you. Whatever we have, you can see that. I don't really care either way. If you treat like this, whatever it may be, yes, you can say, yeah, whatever. It's all the same to me. It's all the same to me. You can say that the whatever that you have given to you, if they are given to you, you are uncertain because you don't like whatever they have options given to you, whatever they have given opportunity to choose something, but you are not satisfied what they have been giving you, and you are uncertain whatever they have given to you, and you are in a position to accept whatever they are giving you, whatever they are answer you. Okay, this is the if you neither like nor dislike something. Okay, so that's a way of expressing. Next, when you hate something, when you hate really something, sometimes we hate by intensively we hate something. Sometimes we agree with us according to the situation. Sometimes we make accompany with the people. Sometimes if you love or if you like, if you dislike, you can understand the situation. According to the situation, we can move on. When you hate really something, for example, I will give you, I can't stand my boss. I can't stand my boss. Really, I don't like boss because the intensively, mostly you actually you never like, you don't want to like your boss because you don't like your boss. You can say that's the way you can stand. You don't want to stand with your boss. This is the way I don't like my boss, because if you hate really the particular person, you can say I don't stand with him. Next, I detest being late. I detest being late because it's a dislike. You dislike because I dislike being late. I dislike being late, but intentionally you don't want to being late, but you dislike being late. Next, coming to the I can't bear watching golf. I can't bear watching golf. Golf is really isn't really your thing, your thing. But don't tolerate your beer. I can't tolerate your watching the golf. This is the way of expression. If you neither like nor dislike something, and when you hate something, really what you are and what you are supposed to do. Okay, students. Coming to the here, I am giving you the activity 1. Here I am giving the activity 1. You can choose your friends, any of your 5 friends. Write down name. Here 5 names: Manasa, Sudiksha, Ramya, Usha and Aparna. What each one likes doing and what each one does not like doing. Here I am giving the example of Manasa. Manasa like to listen the class. Manasa likes to listen the class. And also what she does not like, while she was listening the class, she was dislike writing running notes. Listen to the class, she likes, but she doesn't like writing running notes. Here the example, likes and dislike. Choose your 5 friends, any 5 friends, your best friends or in neighbors, whatever the persons. Choose friends and write down what they like most and what they does not like. Here I give the example, like to listen the class and write. She likes and she does not like writing running notes. And coming to Sudiksha, like to enjoy listening by activities. For example, in the English classes or labs, there is some activities are there. Group discussions, debates, activity-based topics. These are the which will interest to all the people. That's why Sudiksha like to enjoy listening by activities, but she does not like asking questions. If somebody asks a question, she does not likes. Okay, and she also not interested to like the questions. And also Ramya, while teaching, look into the textbook. Ramya likes while teaching, that while the teacher is in the class, while teaching, she look into the textbooks. She likes, and she does not like yarning in the class. You can say yarning in the class. And Usha focus on important. Usha likes focusing on what teacher is telling to us and what are the important points she gather. She likes most, and she does not like searching notes in the class. She does not use mobiles and discussing about any other topics. She does not like searching notes in the class. She want to go home and she does not like in the class. She likes focus on important only, but she should concentrate on the classroom. And Aparna listen to PPT presentation, PowerPoint presentation. Aparna likes listen to PPT presentation, which is very most important. We can easily understand. And Aparna does not like discussing unrelated topics, which is unrelated to our topics, or which is unrelated to our class, and also which is the people who speaks under topics regarding out of the syllabus. She does not like discussing unrelated topics. Okay, students, coming to the here I am giving the activity 1. If I take there are some vegetables here. You can write vegetables: cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, beans, snake gourd, pomegranate, potato. Here I will give the example. I like potato because it goes well with everything. There is some reason. If you write any example, if you done any activity, why should you like and why should you not like? I like potato because it goes well with everything. You can write what are the reasons to like, what are the reasons to dislike. Because I like potato because it goes well with everything. Here is the reason. Here is the reason for here is the reason. I like potato because it goes well with everything. Here the reason behind why do you like most? The reason behind why do you like most? And I don't like cabbage because I think it's a taste bland. I think it's a taste bland. Here you have to mention the reasons. I like potato because it goes well with everything. It gives a good health. And I don't like cabbage because I think it tastes bland. Here is the reason, and also use this remaining in your assignment and post in the Witsconnect app. Here is the cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, beans, snake gourd, and pomegranate and potato. Here again the example and first one. And also coming to the activity 2, ask your members of the group or what they like about you. Now group means your friends or your well-wishers, your neighbors, whatever your family members. And also here giving the examples of, for example, number 1 Raju, second Ramesh, and 3 Arjun. What do you like in a Raju? For example, if you say one thing, Raju is a friendliness and frankness and jovial. Raju is a friendliness and frankness, jovial. That's the way you like Raju. the reason behind why do you like particular person. And coming to the Ramesh is a hardworking and kind nature and also a respectable person. Ramesh is a respectable person. That's the way, the reason behind the loving you, Ramesh. And coming to the Arjun is a sense of having a good sense of humor, and he is very honesty, and also he is very careful about particular his personal life and any other. He is always very careful about his life and his future plans. This is the way you can write. And also I am giving you the assignment. Take any 5 members of your another 5 members and what you like in that particular people and what they like you, and write down, take the 5 members what they like in you, and ask the members to role play. Take the other 5 members and why do they like in me, what are the things you like in me, what are the things you dislike in me. And also you can choose any 5 members individual, you can choose any 5 person. Here is the example. You can write down what is the likes and dislikes of a particular person. You can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 names, your girls or boys, your family members, whatever the person. You can choose any 5 persons name by name, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and write his like, what do you like in you, but not them, by you, what they like, you like something, okay, you can write down individual, what they like in particular person, 1, 2, I like something, and also you can write down, you can dislike, what do you like in dislikes in particular person. You can choose the 5 person, your family members and well-wishers, your neighbors, whatever your classmates, your whatever the person, you can choose 5 members and you can write down what they like in them and what you dislike in them. You can write down. This is about expressing likes and dislikes. I hope you will understand, and also you have a cultivate the habit of writing and also to know about particular person, and beware about what you like and beware about what you dislike, and also likes everyone and enjoy your life, and also it's very important to do that, to change the mindset of the people according to situation, and ask them to improve their knowledge, and ask them to make them people to help them people in a higher level. This is the way of expressing likes and dislikes. Thank you, Jain.